We did not, sir.
Okay. There are people who believe you were involved in the regime change in Pakistan. Can you speak on that?
Sir, I was absolutely not involved, nor were any Americans involved with that process.
None whatsoever.
None whatsoever, sir.
Not contractors, not...
None. Not one.
Okay. In aid to Pakistan being withheld, is aid to Pakistan being withheld because Pakistan refused to vote against the Russian invasion of Ukraine at the United Nations General Assembly?
No, sir.
Away from them. That's what you did.
Enough. You can sit in here quietly. Can't start doing that or else you'll be subject to arrest. So bring it down.
We understand that, sir, but we have a freedom of speech.
We need justice.
Sir, he's lying under oath. That's the thing.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Secretary Liu, I
He's under oath.